Welcome back to the Daily Scoop, your go-to source for the latest news and updates from around the world. I'm your host, and today we have an electrifying story from the cosmos that's bound to leave you astounded. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. Now, let's get started. On 20th June, a jaw-dropping X1.1 class solar flare erupted on the Sun, creating a spectacle of cosmic proportions. This celestial fireworks display caused a shortwave radio blackout across North America, disrupting wireless communications for a staggering 30 minutes. The flare was so intense that even NASA couldn't look away. They detected a massive coronal mass ejection (CME) cloud hurtling into space, classified as a Type 2 solar emission, and let me tell you, it's packing quite a punch. Hold on tight because the solar storm saga continues. Brace yourself for a cosmic showdown involving not one, not two, but three planets in the firing line. According to a spaceweather.com report, Venus and Mars are set to take center stage as the CME cloud makes its interplanetary journey. Venus will experience a small erosion in its upper atmosphere on 22nd June, while Mars is in for a mesmerizing visual treat with dazzling auroras expected on 25th June. Talk about a front row seat to the ultimate light show. Now, for all our Earth dwellers out there, fear not. While we might dodge the full force of the solar storm, we are not entirely off the hook. Our blue planet may receive a glancing blow from the CME cloud, which could still stir up some cosmic mischief. Mobile networks might experience turbulence, satellites could face disruption, and GPS systems may wobble momentarily. But rest assured, our ground-based electronics and the internet should remain unscathed. Ever wondered how NASA keeps a vigilant watch on the Sun's activities? Enter NASA's SOHO, the Solar and Heliospheric Observatory. This incredible satellite, a collaboration between NASA and the European Space Agency (ESA), is equipped with cutting-edge instruments to study the Sun, its atmosphere, and its impact on our solar system. From capturing stunning images of the Sun's corona to measuring magnetic fields and observing the faint corona, SOHO is our eyes in the cosmic expanse. And there you have it, folks. The cosmic spectacle of a solar flare, the planetary showdown, and our close call with space weather. Don't forget to like this video and leave a comment sharing your thoughts. And remember, for your daily dose of captivating news, stay tuned to the Daily Scoop. Until next time, this is your host, signing off.